Someone asked me in my last video all those things I mentioned about the right way to practice ordinary, which, if I'm to remind you, I talked about the right way to practice ordinary being something as simple as know your chi, know your ancestors, align with them, and periodically, a cholofaja, a wal hoji, when you pour libation to them is a way of acknowledging them, their contribution to your life. How? Because we know that without our ancestors, they will not birth our parents and obviously our own existence. So this is just a simple way to practice ordinance. So somebody asked me, Kedu, what is the right way? Or how do I now acknowledge these other forces that I mentioned? Ordinary Igbo says that you have to start from your roots. Inwardly, you have to be beautiful before you start looking for what is outside. In a mistake. So what Ordinary Igbo tells you is that you need to start by understanding your family heritage. You have to understand your family genealogy. You have to understand the spiritual foundations that guides your family. So in a way, Ordinary will teach you how to identify with your culture, your lineage, and your lineage identity. More or alose. Ona anewe alose umunna. Alasi benna or alusi wunne. It is telling you that these were ancestral forces that your ancestors instituted for a certain purpose for your own family. So it is not a rocket science that I will start coming to tell you, oh, you should do this, you should do that, or you have to go here, or you have to go there. It's as simple as going back to your family to ask the right questions. Kedu monde bani goro? Kedu mo imo nechekwebe mbrubani? Kedu mo bennam? Kedu mo bunwihunnem? Then from there, you can now start. I don't know, like in my own now, the first time that my dad told me, because different places. Now to questions. So my dad asked him, in a modinale, it's in a modinale. Manije pero mo ben nage. And see her, and you were more ben na. He now said Negodonia. He now directed me and I said, go here, follow this way. He said, boy, coachy, in a mug female, you coachy, and okay, John the mother. Kebe watch your banner, or more ben nage. And that was how I was able to locate my own family's ancestral spirits. Now, when I went there, I met the chief priest. Meanwhile, before then, I went to know the man as and I was been postponing it. And I went and I bought items. I bought food items. I bought I bought so many things. That didn't cost me much because it is my own. Even the yam that I used, the man asked one of the boys to go back to his house and go and bring 4 tubers of yam. And I said that I am not going to pay for it. I went to the market and I bought chicken, I got alcohol, I got clothes. You know, the process was very simple.